tired of freezing your butt off in the morning? We've been waking up to single digits, and this old antiquated wood stove has not worked for years. In this episode, Sean and Shane are building us a new stove. They want to bring it down. They just called, so we got to get all this junk moved out of here, get all the dust out so we're not a tinderbox, and hopefully get us a new stove in so we can reduce our power bill and stay warm. We're gonna go to plan B.
Oh my gosh, you didn't find a sawzall?
No, I don't have a metal blade here. See that? Now, is that gonna fall on me?
Probably. If we're lucky.
Oh, it's dangling. I think there's one screw holding that, so don't let it fall on you. This thing is a beast, I'm telling you. We need some carts, maybe a floor jack, I don't know. What do you think?
It's a mess, first off, to even get it out.
We're just gonna have to move it over here and let Shane and Sean do their thing, and then we'll just have to get it out with a dolly or with a skid, I'm not sure. You know that it's all there. Like,
Wow.
yeah, try to lift it. Probably need a floor jack to even get it on a dolly.
Had two good floor jacks, you could do it, but
I only have one, and it's not even good.
that's exactly the point.
This is slow going, but it's working. I'm using this pole as leverage. This thing is just so stinking heavy. I've got some dollies, but they're at my other shop in Glendale, and that's a 30-minute round trip, so I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Hopefully I can scoot it that way now. That's yet to be seen. It's definitely not easy, but it's not impossible. So I got to get it at least out of the way so Sean and Shane can get in here and get the other one set. Hey, look what I found. If I can just get that under the front legs, I can probably just use leverage. I don't know how I'm going to get it on there. It's so dang heavy. But I'm going to need a plank to go across it.
So what's your plan? To put those up on the wood and then
Yeah, you just get one side.
herniate ourselves with the
I'll
other
get
side?
the other side.
I've already had a hernia, so it's easier for me to get one again.
I was thinking maybe find a stump, get a big log under it, and use leverage. And I'll just push down on a big log, get it up, and you slide it under there and make sure we're past center, or at least centered on there. Well, here goes. Cheech and Chong stove removal. I am.
He must be.
I mean, he's got to be.
What's up, dude?
Rhett came to say hi.
How are ya?
Ever since our wheeling trip,
Oh,
you're
yeah.
his best friend.
We're homies.
Who's
Heck
that guy?
yeah. Is that Hunter?
We have you a little upgrade from that.
Do you? Well,
Actually, a
Sweet
huge
stove,
upgrade.
man.
Yeah, huge.
You could shove that thing full.
It's pretty showed full right now.
It is. It's
Yeah.
heavy.
it's way heavy.
How old is this thing?
Well, Uncle Quill built it, and he had it probably 30 years.
Really?
Yeah, it
Before
was up.
you got it.
It was up on the bench road in that little shed that he had up there.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah, it's
I like the valve
I
spring.
mean, that's like a coffin.
That's awesome.
it's needing some love.
That's insane.
Looks like it needs scrapped.
It does. It needs to go to the
Roll off the
scrapyard.
hill.
So we got Sean and Shane here from 89 Build, and they got us a cool stove to replace this antiquated
You haven't even seen
whatever.
it yet, have you?
No, I haven't seen it.
You need a TV with a chair like that.
He would never get out of
Kick
it.
back.
That's the chair
Oh,
there.
that
That's
one.
the chair.
I was looking at this one.
Nice.
This one actually reclines.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. It's a good thing we don't have good Wi-Fi in here. Hunter can't FaceTime Jen from right here. He's got to do it over there.
I can walk outside.
Oh, that's fun.
Let's help
What do
you.
we need to
I
do?
think if we can get it up on that dolly, and we can just kind of grunt it that away. That one's a little lighter.
Yeah,
A little bit.
it's about the same, just up.
Yeah.
That's the thing about
Yep.
What do you think, dude?
Guessing you want the fan in the back, right?
Yeah. That squirrel
run.
cage worked pretty good off that furnace, didn't it?
Oh, it was
Yeah.
perfect. So we don't hit the old pipe.
Look at that.
Will that work for you?
Dang, that's nice.
Minus the door, but
Still has a pretty good firebox in there, and it's
Yeah.
deep too. I like that.
mine, mine's only like that deep at my shop, and the vent's right in the front, and it was running oil out the front. 'Cause
Oh,
it's
yeah.
full of ashes.
Yeah.
Gosh, I gotta clean those.
What do you think?
I love it.
Get it glowing purple.
Yeah.
Get the
I don't know
TV
if you've
turned
got
on.
a plug right here somewhere.
I do, right up there actually.
It's in your switches right here.
Oh, cool. That worked pretty good off that old furnace, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's quiet even.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blows a lot of air
Wow.
though.
Like
Oh, dude, this
it
is-
was the perfect fan.
This is gonna be sweet.
And then this, we welded a pipe in it, so if you want to put oil on it at some point in time,
Yep.
you just screw that out and there's a pipe that goes to the middle of the stove. And you just put your container right there
and just drip it in there.
drip it in. Put a valve on it and drip it in.
No kidding.
Then you don't have to just dump it over the fence in the neighbor's yard anymore.
Literally.
Well, we're all about EPA.
Yeah.
But
Good stuff. Well, hope it works for you. It made one fire.
yeah, we
I see you burnt the white off.
Burnt, yeah.
Awesome,
I
man.
cut these on my CNC, and then I chucked them in my lathe after I got the nuts welded on the back side and turned them so they're round. So it turns really nice and round.
That is amazing.
I told you I was gonna put 2 in the door, but we found some bigger pipe.
So it'll draw good.
It draws really well. So
It'll
we
draw.
put bigger ones on the side and there, and it draws really well. And then I had an old stove down below my shop. I don't remember where it came from, but it
We
had a
can't
nice
throw
little
stuff
spring on
away.
it.
You got to keep it. In 20 years,
Exactly.
you're going to need that $5 part.
Exactly.
And I was looking on
Look
eBay
around.
to find one of these, and then I thought, wait a minute.
You have one.
I walked down there, and I have another one. I had 2 of them.
So we can check out the full build on 89 Build, right?
Yep.
Yeah, if you'd like to.
Awesome.
Yeah,
So
that'd be great.
head on over to that channel and check it out. And we really appreciate it. This is awesome,
It's
guys.
been a fun build, so thank you guys.
Yeah.
Says snow on Tuesday, so hopefully
Really?
you get it in just in time.